Grand Prix races, which take place in 12 countries, are the greatest motorcycle races. Among them, the famous Isle of Man Tourist Trophy race is the most authoritative of all. The world's top-notch riders and the world's topmost motorcycle makers are in the race. In 1963, Japan's Suzuki won victory after victory in the World Grand Prix races in both the 50cc and 125cc entries, and was awarded the much-coveted Champion du Monde by the Fédération Internationale Motorcycliste. Suzuki Motor Company, the world champion in Grand Prix races, has its plush headquarters in Hamamatsu, central Japan. From Suzuki's ultra-modern assembly line, hundreds and thousands of quality machines roll off in rapid succession every day. Suzuki, the home of world champion precision motorcycles, also produces unique light four-wheelers. Quality products. This is the motto of Suzuki Motor Company. By quality products is meant those products which give complete satisfaction to customers in every detail, among others, speed, safety, endurance, and economy. It all begins with scrupulous planning based upon careful market research. Everything is done according to the latest methods of quality control, designed to ensure supreme quality in finished products by means of an initial critical study of engineering design, materials, processes, equipment, and workmanship. This is followed by rigid inspections to ensure the high performance of machines, and analyses of the inspections to find out the causes of defects and to remove such causes. Suzuki's quality control is always based on scientific data and the technical staff's untiring effort to remove blemishes. Here we are in the machine tool shop. This shop makes milling machines and other unique devices designed to shape precision parts. No error is tolerated here. Everything is done with precision and things are scaled in microns. As you know, a micron is a unit of length equal to 1/1000th of a millimeter, or about 1/25,000th of an inch. For example, look at this jig boring machine. This is one of the world's best precision machines. Placed in a thermostatic chamber, the machine never errs. This is the inside view of one of Suzuki's shops where engine parts are processed. Rows and rows of modern high-precision machine tools make engine parts in an efficient assembly line system. Many of Suzuki's unique parts are shaped by unique machine tools which Suzuki's own technical staff devised. Gear shapers, which shape gear teeth by means of a cutter into the form of a pinion. A 10-ton broaching machine. Gear generators, which shape straight and spiral bevel gears. Then hobbing machines. Gear shaving machines and gear tooth chamfering machines take turns and provide finishing touches. The shaped gears and pinions now go through a hardening process known as gas carburization to acquire added robustness. Crankshafts and gear shafts, which need ultra strength, are tempered by the induction quenching device. Every part of an engine, the very heart of any motor vehicle, is carefully polished up to a finish of mirror surface beauty. This is the engine assembly shop. Engine parts are first placed in soaping machines where every kind of stain is removed. When they leave the soaping machines, all the parts are spotlessly clean and rust-proof and ready to be placed in an assembly shop. The body is first processed in this press shop. Steel sheets are punched, bent and pressed into desired forms. Look at this powerful pressing machine. Then the pressed steel sheets are taken to the welding shop, where the body of the vehicle is shaped into its complete form. The body is then taken to the painting shop. Coats of paint are applied over and over again, and finally dried by infrared rays, finish with shining bright colors. Here we see engines fresh from the wrapping room. Tires, tanks, mufflers and seats. Frames with shining colors. All those parts are flowing in on overhead conveyors to be rapidly assembled. This is an assembly shop for motorcycles. Suzuki's brainchild motorcycles, Suzuki 50, 80, 125, 150 and 250 cc's. Suzuki Sports 50, 80 and 125 cc's. These products roll off the assembly line every 15 seconds. The finished products are immediately subjected to rigid tests on the test stand. Maximum speed, acceleration, brakes. Everything is tested and adjusted. In contrast, in this four-wheeler assembly shop, the assembling of Suzuki 360 light vans and passenger cars is now in full swing. These Suzuki 360 light trucks are being assembled at a separate shop at Toyokawa, Aichi Prefecture, about 300 kilometers west of Tokyo. The assembled vehicles are tested in every conceivable way to see to it that every part fulfills its function in complete harmony with the other parts. The wheel alignment test, side slip test, beaming test, brake checkup, and horsepower test. Then this shower test to check up on rain leaks and to spot defects in electric circuits. There are additional ordeals waiting for the survivors of the rigid preliminary tests. Now for test runs on the track. Maximum speed test. Acceleration test. Noise test. Braking test. And fuel consumption test to see whether or not fuel is consumed economically. Further technical tests are conducted in this Suzuki Technical Center. Look at this huge apparatus. It artificially reproduces various driving conditions, thus testing the riding comfort and durability of a vehicle. The rough road test. Steering stability. And maximum load test. Indoor driving tests and track run tests are repeated, compared, and analyzed. Body sturdiness test by means of the strain gauge to discover how the body is distorted by various pressures. This is the severe anti-freezing test. The starting test and electric circuit checkup are conducted in temperatures as low as -20 degrees centigrade or -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The powerful revolutions of the engine. A continued satisfaction is yours if you are an owner of Suzuki's machines, because they are guaranteed by severe and infallible tests. And the durability test tops all other tests of their toughness. A full throttle run for 20,000 kilometers or 12,400 miles. This severe test of endurance could be more properly described as a destruction test. Is it necessary? Yes, simply because Suzuki Motor Company wants to give each vehicle an unconditional quality guarantee. This is the first Japan Grand Prix auto race. In the touring car class below 400 cc's, 4 Suzuki 360's took part in the race. Suzuki 360's front-wheel drive cars with powerful 21 horsepower engines surpassed other models over the entire course. Especially on curves in the course, the perfect road holding of Suzuki captivated the spectators. Suzuki 360 swept up the top prizes. the first, second and fourth places. The best lap time record also went to one of the Suzuki passenger cars. Here you see two of Suzuki's proud racing machines. The Suzuki 50, which twice earned the World Manufacturer Championship for Suzuki Motor Company, and the Suzuki 125, which chalked up a breathtaking 9 consecutive wins in Grand Prix races, and also secured the championship even before all the Grand Prix races were finished. These dazzling achievements fully endorse Suzuki's steadfast claim that the 2-stroke engine is superior to the 4-stroke engine. The claim of Suzuki engineers is that the 2-stroke engine is easier in maintenance in addition to its superb performance. Each vehicle ought to give complete satisfaction to customers by fulfilling the different needs of different owners. This is difficult, of course, but this is exactly what Suzuki's vehicles do. Suzuki's vehicles are completely guaranteed in quality, and their aftercare is perfect because of a wide service network. And these champion vehicles of Suzuki Motor Company are treasured by people from all walks of life throughout the world. Suzuki Motor Company is now opening sales channels throughout the world to market abroad its precision-made, track-tested vehicles. In the United States, U.S. Suzuki Motor Corporation has been established in Los Angeles. In Britain, Suzuki has established the Suzuki Great Britain Limited. And in Latin America, Oceania, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, the marketing of Suzuki's products is being expanded in a promising way. Suzuki's vehicles, both motorcycles and cars, are manufactured by an integrated production process ranging from casting and forging to assembling. And at each stage in the process, the high-level quality control maintains and guarantees the best performance of Suzuki's machines. Another important characteristic of Suzuki Motor Company is its youthfulness. Suzuki has more than 3,000 workers on its payroll, whose average age is 26. The youthful energy of Suzuki Motor Company, backed by its daring, pioneering spirit, promises a great leap forward towards a better tomorrow. Suzuki continues to create quality products.